All right, welcome back, my friends. I'm going to go over this with you to try to help you. If you got stuck, that's okay. That's how we learn, right? As long as you gave it an effort. So here we go. There are 236 third graders at Huron Elementary School. What is 236 rounded to the nearest hundred? So first question, what is the problem about? What is this problem about? Well, the problem is about third graders at Huron Elementary School, right? Okay. The problem is about third graders at Huron Elementary School. Same grade we're in. What are we trying to find out? Well, do we see a question up there? There are 236 third graders at Huron Elementary School. What is 236 rounded to the nearest hundred? I don't see a question mark here, but I see a question mark there. So this is our question. This is what we're going to circle. Okay, what is 236 rounded to the nearest hundred? So we want to know the amount of Huron Elementary Schools rounded to the nearest hundred. What information is important? Well, let's go and go through. We're going to underline that right now. There are 236 third graders at Huron Elementary School. Do you think it's important that we know that there are 236 third graders? I do. Since we're trying to find out what is 236 rounded to the nearest hundred, right? Doesn't really matter that it's at Huron Elementary School. The important information is 236 rounded to the nearest hundred. So the whole question is important. I'm going to underline that. And the 236 third graders is also important. We need to know that. That's the number we're using to round up or down. Okay, and we want to round to the hundred. So we're going to look at the tens place. That's a clue. Okay. Normally, when I was in school, it was if it was 4, 3, 2, 1, you round down. If it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you round up. So we're going to look at this. 236 third graders at Huron Elementary School. I'm going to draw a number line for this. Okay. And we're going to see if we can solve this. So we have 236 third graders. So I'm going to start with 200. Because that's what we have in the hundreds right now. And I'm going to put 300 because that's the next 100 I would go to if I was counting up, right? I start at 200 and 300 would be the next 100 I could possibly go up to with rounding. Okay, so I have, let's go here, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, and 300. I'm off a little there. We can move it over just to make it look a little closer here. Okay. So where would 236 be? We have 210, 220, 230. So 236 would be about right here. Okay. Is 236 closer to 200 or 300 on our number line? Well, let's see. Okay, our halfway point, we know because we already did that earlier, is the 250, or in this case, it's 250, right? Earlier it was 150 and 450. But the halfway number here is 250. So it's on this side of the number line. So we need to round down to 200. Okay, so what is 236 rounded to the nearest hundred? It is 200. Thank you, my friends.